how to fix wired access point is slower than router Wi-Fi error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you are facing such type of issue, the first workaround is run the network troubleshooters. Go to Windows settings, under system settings, go to troubleshoot from the right pane, other troubleshooters, and run the network and internet troubleshooters. Press the click on run button and follow on screen instruction. First restart the Wi-Fi network adapter. Click on restart adapter. Thereafter unplug your modem and router from the power outlet. Wait at least 10 seconds, then plug them back in. Otherwise you might need to contact your IT support personnel. Thereafter restart your system. You may need more help and follow on screen instruction which you should. Exit network testing and here type your problem, and this troubleshoot will definitely help you to resolve Wi-Fi error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The next method is update network adapter driver. Go to device manager. Here expand network adapters. Right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers and best drivers for your device are installed. Thereafter, if your problem is exist, then right click on it and uninstall device. Finally click on uninstall, and once the uninstall is, right click on network adapter and choose a scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically install your recently uninstalled driver for your system and check your Wi-Fi error is resolved or not. If not, again go to Windows. Here go to network and internet. Go to advanced network settings. Here advanced, choose network reset and click on reset now. Network reset may be helpful for your Wi-Fi error in your system. The next workaround is open control panel. Type control panel in Windows search and open control panel. Here go to network and sharing center. Go to change adapter settings and right click on your network connection and choose disable. Wait for some times and after sometimes again re-enable your network connection. The next one is again on this same page. Go to change adapter setting option. Right click on your network connection and choose properties. Here click on configure. Under Wi-Fi properties Windows networking, choose configure and here go to advanced tab from the top menu bar, and all the property should be enabled in your system such as 802.11d